You go first!
Today's video comes to you from D-Day, Ohio 2024. This year I had the opportunity to reenact as a sergeant with my Baker Company 505th unit. The battle you're about to see is a reenactment of the Battle of the Fière Bridge. The Battle of Fière Bridge was a significant engagement that took place during the Normandy invasion of World War II. Fière was a strategic crossing point over the Merderet River in Normandy, France, and was heavily defended by German forces. On June 6, 1944, American paratroopers from the 82nd Airborne Division were dropped behind enemy lines as part of the D-Day invasion. The paratroopers were tasked with securing the bridgehead and preventing German reinforcements from reaching the beaches where the Allied forces were landing. The Americans encountered fierce resistance from the German forces, who were determined to hold onto the bridge at all costs. The battle at Fière Bridge raged on for several days, with both sides suffering heavy losses. Eventually, the American forces were able to repel the German attacks and secure the bridge, allowing for the successful advance of Allied troops further into Normandy. The Battle of Fière Bridge was a crucial moment in the Normandy invasion, as it helped secure a vital crossing point and prevent German reinforcements from reaching the Allied forces. It also demonstrated the bravery and tenacity of the American paratroopers who fought against overwhelming odds to achieve their objective. One last point before we jump into this action-packed footage: you'll see throughout the video that my M1 doesn't seem to be cycling properly, and I have to sometimes manually rack each round. This is because I had a wide open aperture on my blank adapter and I accidentally grabbed the wrong size blanks for this battle, which is kind of annoying, but hey, that kind of stuff happens. Alright guys, enough talking, let's get into the video.
Let's go! North to the right! Follow me, let's go!
Far side, well covered!
On me! James! On me!
The wall! Bring him in!
Get to cover! Get to the wall! Get to the wall! Riley! Hey, give us covering fire, James! Cover him!
Where's Andrew?
Andrew! There's Andrew. Give me some cover, I'm loading. Get ready to give me some cover. I'm moving to the wall. Now! Hey, did you see where... Help him! Hey, cover and fire! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Cover and fire! Sergeant Fisher, where's the medic? Medic! Where's our medic at?
We got one up over here.
Where's our medic? We got a man wounded.
Medic! We need a medic!
Medic! Give that medic some covering fire, why don't ya?
Fire!
Second platoon, give him some covering fire!
Good. Good night.
You okay? Are you choking? Here, set up. We're gonna prop you up on the wall, Jacob. Come on. All right, Riley, you're good? Yeah, good. You all right? Give him some water. Aim that way a little bit more. Aim that way a little more. You're blasting my ears.
This damn keeps going down.
Yeah, the second side. Here? Yeah.
James, over here. We got two coming this way. I'm reloading.
What's he saying?
They're counterattacking on our left. We need to spread out a little bit.
Down after that.
Do we have cover? Do we have cover? Get to the barrels. I'm gonna give you covering fire.
Sergeant! Spread him out!
Gonna spread him out. I'm gonna have him to the barrels. Get ready to give him covering fire. Go, covering fire! James, go! Go! Go now! He's hit!
Down!
On the hill! Go keep taking care of wounded. Give him fire! Give him some covering fire! Duncan, we got a lot of wounded men down there. Go take care of them. Give me some covering fire. Ready? Now. What do we got over here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6, 7. We got a bunch of them. Sergeant Fisher! Sergeant Fisher, we've got a squad over here on the left trying to counterattack. I need one more man up here. I need one more man. I need another rifleman right up here. You're doing good, you're doing good. We gotta hold them off.
All right.
Sergeant!
They're going back.
Nobody left to send.
All right. Hey, we're gonna fall back to the wall. We can cover him better from there.
Fall back there.
Yep, and I say, hey, Fisher. Fisher, he's about to move back to you.
Should I take KIA on the wall? Still got time.
Go ahead and take the KIA.
All right, draped over the wall.
Fall over the wall.
Make
Right,
sure there's
1,
a gun side of
2. Get ready, go. 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 Ah.
Take his gun! Sergeant! Just over here.
Coming.
It's just us. 3 of us left.
Okay. Okay.
We gotta get out of here.
We need to fall back a little bit more.
Let's move up together to where you were. Let's hold this line.
All right, let's
You with
do it.
me?
I'm with you. I'm with
Let's
you.
do this.
I'm giving you cover fire. You go first. You ready to cover me?
Oh, this is a long one.
Yeah, I see a lot of bodies.
Hold. When you set it down. Take your private sergeant. Take your
All right.
private sergeant. Cover!
I see no movement.
Hold fire for now. Hold fire for
Hold
now.
fire. Hold fire. Keep your eyes on these Germans. Here, I got you.
Thank you. Handy hawk! Handy hawk!
Oh, he's getting ready to shoot. Shoot him, Sergeant. He's giving up, he's giving up. I'm gonna get James off that wall. Hold him. I need a medic! I need a medic up here!
We need a medic!
Give me a medic up here!
Take a little bit.
Moving up to this barrel.
Stick with us, battle and last longer. Facing out right now. So your sectors are clear for now.
Okay.
Just hold position here.
Yep.
Index, boys. It's over. Clear your weapons.